Miss Tracy, and I'm going to read Sweet Summer. Summer has come. The sun is shining bright. The air is hot and sticky. Goodbye, coats and hats. Bye. Hello, sunscreen. Rub it in on your skin. Good job. Now we're ready for summer fun. Let's have a picnic at the park. Sandwiches, watermelon, and lemonade. Yummy. Ants! Ah! Shoe bugs! Tap the ants to make them go away. Now let's fly a kite up high in the sky. What else can we see in the sky? Pretty butterflies, one will sit on your hand. Now let's go to the beach. Swimsuit, hat, sunglasses, all ready. We can build a giant sandcastle. Ooh. And then knock it down, smash. Or we could collect seashells. Tap the shells to count to 5. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Riding a bicycle is lots of fun. Remember to wear your helmet. Playing ball is fun too. Kick the ball with your finger. Splash. If it gets too hot, you can play in the pool. Or eat an icy cold ice pop. Yum. Now it's getting dark. Touch the twinkly fireflies. Boom! What's that loud noise? Fireworks! Look at those pretty colors. Let's see the colors. We got pink and yellow and orange. Ooh. Summer days are long and fun, but soon school will start again. And it will be autumn. The end. Thank you, my friends. We just read Sweet Summer. And remember, in the story, they had a sweet, yummy snack, which was ice cream. So, we're going to make an ice cream craft using puffy paint. So these are the supplies that you will need. You will need construction paper, any color that you would like, a paintbrush, a little dish to hold the paint, glue, shaving cream, and of course, paint. Miss Tracy's favorite color is pink, so I'm actually going to mix 2 different colors together, white and red, to make pink. So first, I will use the white paint. And there you go. Then I will add my red paint. There you go. And I will use my paintbrush to mix the colors together. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And now I have pink. Ew. So now I will add some glue. Don't be afraid. Get in there. I will add some shaving cream. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And now I will mix these ingredients together. And you see, it makes a nice foamy texture. There we go. So, now I'm going to glue my cone onto the paper. I'm using a triangle, but you can use whatever shape you'd like. And some glue. Put that on the paper. And now I will add the paint. Yeah. See? You can paint it however you like. Yeah. It has a nice foamy and thick texture. See, and it sounds squishy too. And now, just for added bonus, I'm going to add some glitter. You don't have to use glitter, but I'm going to add some red glitter for sprinkles. Oops, not open, guys. 1 second. Here we go. It's okay to get messy.